PowerCut RS 800V, the new 2-in-1 Lopper from WOLF-Garten. Extremely robust and durable. Ergonomically shaped soft-touch handles ensure a secure and comfortable grip at all times. It offers 2 cutting modes. Speed cut for continuous cutting of medium-sized branches in confined, hard-to-access areas. When a branch is too thick, use the PowerCut mode. To activate it, fully open the handles and the Lopper automatically goes into PowerCut mode, allowing you to easily finish your job without even having to reposition the blade. After the cut, the spring mechanism automatically returns the Lopper to the speed cut position. Convince yourself by testing this game changer at your local DIY store now. WOLF-Garten. For more information, go to www.wolfgarten.com.